Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be playing with some Happy Crafter Shop goodies. You can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase with happycraftershop.com. So guys, she does send me a design team package, and I had to place another order because after the last video that I did, I was like getting obsessed and I had to get more of these. So I did a tutorial and I created some tassels. I'm not even gonna attempt to see where they are right now, but I made some beautiful tassels using these, and she only had 2 left, so I had to snatch them, guys. I couldn't believe that they were not sold out, so I had to sell her out right quick. And then I also picked up some more of these. So today we're going to be playing with these. They're so cute, guys. She may have more of these in the shop. I am not sure. I just grabbed 2, and I grabbed 2 of these, and they are beautiful. And then she sent me, thank you so much, Lisa. She sent me a little goodie bag. And she sent me some of these bow charms. They're pretty. She sent me all kind of stuff. Look at this cute little like dragonfly pink. These are cute. These are little tiny hearts. Some iridescent. Oh, these are beautiful. Lisa, thank you so much. Yeah, she sent me some lip charms. Guys, I've been really lacking in charms. Like, I've been wanting to find charms everywhere, and I don't know. I got a couple. I just have not placed the order yet. And then I got these crackle ones. These are my favorite from her. I wonder if she knows that. But thank you so much, Lisa. Look at all these freebies she sent me. Okay, so today we are going to play with these, and we are going to create some dangles, okay? I'm so happy that Lisa is selling beads and charms and cabochons and all that stuff again, because I really missed it. Those of you who don't know, she now has a release every other month. So there won't be a release for February, but there should be one for March. All right, so we're going to grab these beads here, and then I'm also going to use some Michaels beads from my stash. And we're going to need our tools. So I have some round nose pliers and some regular pliers here. And so I'm going to be making these cute little charms here. I've been putting these on everything, you guys. Okay. So let's grab our tools. I'm going to use some of my little head pins. These are my favorite ball pins. They're called ball pins because there's a ball on the end. Okay. And they're small. I love these for tiny little dangles. I buy these from Amazon. And I've gone through quite a few of these over the years. I absolutely love these for things that are like really small. Okay, and then I'm going to use some of my items here. Let's see. I'm going to use some of these daisy spacers and some of my bead caps, okay? And I just need some of my little beads. Now, I hauled some beads from Michaels. These here in particular. And they have 4 different sizes. I'm using the smallest size. So let me just grab some from my stash. And I'm going to pick them out. So I have these opened in pink and the clear. So I'll make a few of them with you guys. I'm excited to see what she's going to have in the shop in March, guys. I hope you guys are ready. If you're new to Happy Crafter Shop, she sells out very quickly. All right. Okay, I think that's good. And this is so simple. And you can create these. You can use these as jewelry. You can use these to dangle onto projects. You can use them as, you know, little keychains for your phone charms, all kinds of things. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with our ball pin, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and bead one of these beads, the little small ones. And then I'm gonna go for a daisy spacer. And then I'm gonna go in with a bead cap. And I'm using these little, they're like leaf shaped ones. They're smaller. Ooh, I'm dropping things. So then goes my bead cap. And then I'm gonna take my flower, not my flower, one of our heart ones. So let's do a purple one. Okay, just like that. Look at how pretty. And then we're gonna top it off with another bead. And that is it, guys. That's my little recipe for this little dangle. Look at how pretty it is. So we're gonna just go ahead and take our round nose pliers. And I'm gonna put it at the very end and roll. Keep on rolling till you can't anymore. Be careful, you don't wanna make these too tight because I am using glass beads and it will break. So you just gotta kind of play with it. You will see over time, like, you know, how tight to put it. I want it tight enough to where it's not gonna be moving or shifting, but then not too tight to where it breaks. Just like that. And there goes our little dangle. All right, let's do another one. Let's do the pink bead. Okay, we're gonna do a daisy spacer, a bead cap, and then our heart. Ooh. Take our heart bead. Let's use this one. And then finish it off with another bead. I use the pink one. Okay, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and take our round nose pliers, go on the very end, and roll. Okay, and when I get close, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust everything and secure it, roll a little bit more. And there we go. Okay. Let's do one more. Maybe we should do a yellow one. Let's do a pink one. Guys, I'm so sad that Valentine's Day is ending. Okay, we got our bead, daisy spacer, but I'm kind of happy that it's ending because I went a little crazy. With the shopping supplies. And then our bead cap and our hearts. Let's do this pink one. And we're gonna top it off with another bead. But I hope that you guys feel inspired to bust out your Happy Crafter Shop supplies and create these little dangles with me. Shout out to Enos, guys. She made my little perfume bottles and she made them into earrings. It looks so cute, packaged up and stuff. So you can totally do that with these too. You can make little earrings. That was a really great idea. Again, don't make it too tight because your bead will break on you. You don't want that glass bead to break. And there we go. They're beautiful, guys. I love the mixture of the glass bead with these hearts and the golds. They're perfection. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out happycraftershop.com. Use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys feel inspired to make these. Tag me so I can see, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.